Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying which Microsoft account holds the BitLocker recovery key and why that matters. Keys are tied to accounts, not devices. Sign into account. Microsoft.com with the correct email. Make sure the device is online so retrieval can happen immediately. Once signed in, navigate to Devices, then BitLocker Keys, or use the Recovery Keys section. This is the only official way to see keys stored by Microsoft. Make sure your secondary auth, phone, or authenticator is available to complete. Once signed into your Microsoft account, go to Devices or Security and locate the Recovery Keys area. This lists 48-digit BitLocker keys. You need to match the key ID shown on the locked PC screen to the ID listed online, because multiple keys can exist. After finding the matching entry, copy the full 48-digit key exactly or download a secure file. Do not share it. You now have the key needed to unlock the drive. Write it down or store it in a password manager for immediate use. Enter the 48-digit recovery key on the BitLocker prompt exactly as shown. Hyphens usually aren't required but match the prompt format. If you cannot find the key in your personal account, check any work or school Microsoft 365 accounts, OneDrive folders, or the admin portal because organizations often store keys centrally. If keys are absent, make sure you searched every possible Microsoft account. If still locked, reach out to your organization's IT admin or use file backups. This is the last practical recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.